Guided Christian meditation for anxiety. Be still and trust. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting every worry begin to melt away. Now gently close your eyes. Feel your body resting, your shoulders relaxing, your heart steadying. You are safe here. You are loved here. You are in the presence of God. As you breathe, remember this promise from Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Let that peace wash over you now. Let it guard your thoughts, calm your heart, and quiet your soul. Breathe in and whisper within, Lord, I give you my worries. Breathe out and say, fill me with your peace. Now imagine the weight of anxiety resting on your shoulders. See yourself gently lifting it and placing it at the feet of Jesus. You don't have to carry it anymore. He said in Matthew 11:28, come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Feel his rest entering your body now. A deep calm that flows from your head to your toes. Every muscle loosens. Every breath deepens. You are being renewed. If your mind begins to wander, don't worry. Simply return to this truth. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Let the stillness of God fill every space that anxiety once occupied. Let his spirit breathe peace into your soul. Now imagine a gentle light shining above you. The light of God's presence. It moves down slowly over your head, over your shoulders, through your chest and arms, and finally down to your feet. This is the light of Christ, the one who said in John 14:27, peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. Let that divine peace rest upon you now. Let it cover your heart like a soft blanket. Let it protect your mind like a gentle shield. Whisper to yourself, I am safe in God's hands. He is my refuge and strength. He will never leave me nor forsake me. Deuteronomy 31:8. Whisper to yourself, I am safe in God's hands. He is my refuge and strength. He will never leave me nor forsake me. Deuteronomy 31:8.
Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now imagine yourself standing in a calm garden. The air is still, the sun warm upon your skin. You hear the soft whisper of the Spirit saying, cast all your anxiety on me because I care for you. 1 Peter 5:7. You don't need to control every outcome. You only need to trust the one who does. For a moment, rest here in silence. Let your heart be still before the Lord. Feel his nearness. Feel his love. Now slowly begin to come back. Feel your body, your hands, your feet, your breath. You are calm. You are covered in peace. You are ready to walk in God's strength. And as you open your eyes, remember this promise. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Exodus 14:14. Take one last deep breath in and let it out with gratitude. You are renewed. You are strengthened. You are free.